It's your girl Bella O. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing great. You know, many persons go into marriage without knowing what marriage is all about. Some persons go into this thing called marriage in the name of we love each other, we are compatible, so they just dive into it, and at the end they rush out from that marriage. So many persons are into marriage and they don't have fear or regard for their spouse. Okay, let me even remove fear. They don't have regard for their spouse. They do things their own way. Forgetting marriage is two persons becoming one. Even if you don't have respect for your spouse, what about God? At least to an extent, you don't even to an extent, you should fear God. Fear God. Because when it comes to marriage, God first, even before two persons that are involved in it. This brings me to our story for today. This story is about a man. He said he noticed his wife, for no reason, stop allowing him to go into a honey pot. Each time he wants to eat from the honey pot, the wife keeps turning him down for no reason. He said this went on for 2-3 weeks. So one night, he just could not hold himself. He was really horny and wanted to have sex with his wife. But the wife, as usual, turned him down. So he ran to his wife's younger sister because she happens to live with them in that house. She stays with them. So he ran to her and he begged her for sex. He told her that he just could not stay, that he really needed, that he's horny and he really wants that sex that night. So the girl agreed and they had sex. He said while they were at it, the wife bumped into them and yes, caught them. He said that night hell let loose. He said the wife was so furious that in the morning the wife went and announced to all their neighbors that he slept with her sister. And him, on the other hand, he had to narrate the story. He told them his reasons behind his actions, why he had to sleep with the girl, because the wife refused him. Said so when the neighbors, when they heard his own part of the story, they blamed the wife. He said she is the cause, that she was the one that actually pushed him out to the sister. She said nevertheless the sex he had with the sister, with the wife's sister, was great, that he really enjoyed it. So that's the story for today. My viewers, hope you've heard the story. Mr. Man, I'm really disappointed at you. To think that you slept with your wife's younger sister just because your wife refused you sex, just for 2 or 3 weeks like you said, is something I just cannot even, I don't even know what to say. You even said you enjoyed sex. That means you're even happy sleeping with the girl. So let's see it this way. If your wife's sister was not in that house that night, that means you would have go sleep with your daughter. Because like you said, you were horny, you could not hold yourself, isn't it? You just couldn't hold yourself, that you had to go and sleep with your wife's sister. Meaning if she was not there, that means you would have slept with your daughter. That's how it is now. Oga, let me ask you a question. Let the reverse now be the case. If it is your wife that slept with your younger brother, or in the name of you refusing her sex, would you have been saying this song that you're singing now? Would you have been singing the same song? The people, your neighbors that are blaming her now, will they blame her? They will not blame you. It is her they will blame. They will say, yes, she's not responsible, she's a loose woman, she cannot keep herself, isn't it? You even say she has hot pint for your younger brother before now, isn't it? So I put it to you, Oga, that you have hot pint for that girl. You've been eyeing her, so you just use this one as an excuse to go to her. If you don't fear your wife, if you don't have regard for your wife, fear God. Fear God. What you did was wrong, and stop hiding under the excuse of my wife refused me. You are not using that one now to cover your sin. I wonder how people make mistakes, how people do things. They do things deliberately, and at the end of the day, they will be looking for things that they will use as an excuse to cover up their mistake. My dear, Oga, you really did wrong. Go and apologize to your wife. And that girl, your wife's sister, should leave that house to avoid another episode of sex in that house. Because as you have started it, definitely you continue. So she has to leave the house. And you apologize to your wife. Fine, your neighbors, they blamed your wife. Let me tell you the reason why they are blaming your wife. They blamed her just to calm the situation down. Because if they start blaming you, man, the whole thing, you know now. So they are just trying to keep your own. That's the reason why they are blaming her. Deep down, they know the truth. That what you did was wrong. In the sight of man and in the sight of God. Beg God for forgiveness. They go and beg your wife, Oga. I'm telling you, you should go and beg. I really pity that woman. I just can't imagine what she's going through. What you did, Oga, is very wrong. There are some things that one should not do. No matter the circumstances. You don't have to do it. For crying out loud, did you ask your wife, Madam, what happened? Why is it that for lately you've been abstaining from me? There should be a reason why she's abstaining. Why she has refused you sleeping with her. Maybe you did something that is turning her off. That's why anytime you come close to her, she turns off. Because of the thing you did to her. Why didn't you go and ask her? And even if you did not do her anything, maybe she's under depression. Maybe she's going through one thing or the other. That is why when you get married to someone, there should be a communication in marriage. If there is communication, this thing, what happened would have not happened. You should have sit your wife down, talk to her, ask her, is it that you are getting tired of me? Is it that you no more find me attractive? You get to know, talk to him. This woman is your wife. Don't just start taking law into your hands, going to sleep with his sister, and at the end of the day, you hide under the excuse of she refusing you. Mr. Man, you did not try at all. When you sent your story, you sent in your story, when I read it, I was like, man, this man, you have nerve. Who does that? Sleeping with your own wife, younger sister, and at the end of the day, you are blaming the woman for it. Guy, go and beg that woman. If it is you that refused that woman sex, she will not, just for a few weeks, she will not go and sleep with your brother. Rather, she will be so concerned. She will want to know the reason why you are refusing her. Is it that you are no more finding me attractive? She want to go and be very short. She want to try to see how to please you, how to make you fall back to her. But you know, what did you do? You ran into the sister's room and you went to sleep with her. Mr. Man, change your ways. Your heart is wicked and your action is unacceptable. So my people, that's the story for today. Till next time, I remain your girl, Bella O. And if you are just joining us, this program is Reality Story. Bye bye.